Subclassed Django models with integrated query sets. Like in this question, except I want to be able to have query sets that return a mixed body of objects. I figured out that I can't just set product.meta.abstract to true or otherwise just or together query sets of differing objects. Fine, but these are all subclasses of a common class, so if I leave their superclasses non-abstract I should be happy, so long as I can get its manager to return objects of the proper class. The query code in Django does its thing, and just makes calls to product. Sounds easy enough, except it blows up when I override product._new_. I'm guessing because of the _metaclass_ and model. Here's non-Django code that behaves pretty much how I want it. But that fails if I inherit from django.db.models.model instead of object. Which is a notably crappy backtrace. I can't step into the frame of my _new_ code in the debugger, either. I have variously tried super_a, CLS, chop, super_a, and all of the above in combination with passing CLS in as the first argument to _new_, all to no avail. Why is this kicking me so hard? Do I have to figure out Django's metaclasses to be able to fix this, or is there a better way to accomplish my ends?
Basically what you're trying to do is to return the different child classes, while querying a shared base class. That is, you want the leaf classes. Check this snippet for a solution, this URL. Also be sure to check out the docs on Django's content types framework, this URL. It can be a bit confusing at first, but content types will solve additional problems you'll probably face when using non-abstract base classes with Django's ORM.
You want one of these. This URL. There are downsides, namely extra queries.
Another approach that I recently found, this URL. Simply stick at static method before the _new_ method.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.